In this video, we're going to dive into 10 key takeaways from the book, I Will Teach You to Be Rich, by Ramit Sethi. Takeaway number 1. Automate your finances. Automating your finances means setting up automatic systems for saving, investing, and paying bills. This approach ensures that your financial goals are consistently prioritized and eliminates the need for constant decision-making. By automating transfers to your savings and investment accounts and setting up automatic bill payments, you're more likely to stay on track and build wealth over time. Takeaway number 2. Focus on the big wins. Instead of worrying about small, insignificant expenses, focus on the major areas where you can save and invest your money. For example, reducing housing costs by downsizing, refinancing your mortgage, or negotiating your rent. Consider minimizing transportation expenses by utilizing public transportation, carpooling, or even downsizing your vehicle. Tackling high-interest debt is another big win that can save you a significant amount in interest payments. By focusing on these substantial areas, you'll have a more significant impact on your financial situation. Key takeaway number 3. Conscious spending. This means being intentional about how you allocate your money. It's essential to identify your values and priorities and spend your money accordingly. Cut back on expenses that don't align with your goals and values, such as excessive dining out or impulse purchases. At the same time, allocate a portion of your budget for things that bring you joy and align with your values. It's about finding a balance between enjoying your money now and using it wisely for the future. Key takeaway number 4. Invest for the long term. Investing is a critical component of building wealth over time. Start investing early and consistently, as this gives your investments more time to grow. Take advantage of the power of compounding returns, where your investment gains generate additional gains. Set clear financial goals, whether it's retirement, buying a house, or funding your child's education, and choose appropriate investment vehicles, such as stocks, bonds, index funds, or real estate, based on your goals and risk tolerance. Takeaway number 5. Negotiate your salary. Don't be afraid to negotiate your salary during job offers or performance reviews. Research the market value for your skills and experience, and confidently articulate your value to the company. Negotiating your salary can have a significant impact on your earning potential and financial growth. It's important to approach salary negotiations with preparation, confidence, and a clear understanding of your worth in the job market. Takeaway number 6. Maximize credit card rewards. Credit cards can be a valuable tool if used wisely. Look for credit cards that offer rewards, cashback, or travel points that align with your spending habits and goals. Pay your credit card bills in full each month to avoid interest charges and late fees. By using credit cards strategically and responsibly, you can take advantage of the rewards and benefits they offer without falling into the trap of high-interest debt. Takeaway number 7. Use conscious budgeting. Create a budget that reflects your financial goals and priorities. Allocate your money to different categories such as savings, investments, housing, transportation, groceries, and discretionary spending. Regularly review and adjust your budget as needed to ensure you're on track. Conscious budgeting allows you to make informed decisions about how you spend and save your money, helping you achieve your financial goals more effectively. Takeaway number 8. Avoid debt traps. Minimizing and eliminating high-interest debt, such as credit card debt, should be a priority. High-interest debt can quickly accumulate and become a burden on your financial well-being. Focus on paying off high-interest debts aggressively, using strategies like the debt avalanche or debt snowball method. Be cautious about taking on unnecessary debt and be diligent about paying off existing debts. By reducing debt, you'll have more financial freedom and resources to save and invest. Takeaway number 9. Invest in yourself. Continuous personal and professional growth can significantly impact your earning potential and financial success. Invest in acquiring new skills, knowledge, and education that are relevant to your career. Take courses, attend workshops or seminars, and obtain certifications to enhance your skills and stay ahead in your field. By investing in yourself, you can increase your value in the job market, potentially command higher salaries, and create more opportunities for career advancement. Key takeaway number 10. Take action. Don't get stuck in analysis paralysis. Taking action is crucial for implementing the financial strategies outlined in the book. Rather than getting stuck in analysis paralysis, start making small changes and taking steps towards your financial goals. Whether it's setting up automatic savings, negotiating your salary, or creating a budget, consistent action is key to achieving financial success. Remember that even small, consistent actions can accumulate and make a significant impact over time. And there you have it. Those were the 10 key takeaways from I Will Teach You to Be Rich. Remember, these principles can transform your financial life, but it's up to you to take action. So go out there, automate your finances, focus on the big wins, and make conscious decisions about your money. Thank you for watching. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.